Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the Darcy equation, that is the Poiseuille law assumes that the capillary found in the filter are highly irregular and non-uniform. Therefore, if the length of capillary is taken as the thickness of bed, a correction factor for the radius is applied so that the rate is closely approximated and simplified. The factors influencing the rate of filtration has been incorporated into an equations by Darcy, which is V is equal to the K delta P upon N L. K is the permeability coefficient of cake M square and A is equal to the surface area of porous bed, that is filter medium M square. Other terms are the same as the previous equation. K is dependent on the characteristic of the cake such as the porosity, there are the specific surface area and compressibility. Permeability may be defined quantitatively as the flow rate of the liquid of unit viscosity across a unit area of cake having unit thickness under a pressure gradient unity. This equation is valid for the liquid flowing through sand, glass, bed and various porous medium. This model is applied to filter bed or cake and other types of depth filter. This equation is further modified by increasing the characteristic of the K by Kozny-Kármán. Next is the Kozny-Kármán equation. Kozny-Kármán equation is widely used for the filtration. V is equal to the A upon eta square is and the multiply delta P upon KL and E cube upon the 1 minus E whole square is 2. Where is the E is the porosity of the cake bed eta and S is equal to the specific surface area of particle comprising the cake M square upon M cube. Next is the K is equal to the Kozny constant, usually takes as the 5. Other terms are the same as the previous equation. Limitations are that it does not consider the fact that the depth of the granular bed is lesser than the actual path traversed by the fluid. The actual path is not same throughout the bed, but it is this the sinuous or the tortuous. Next is the factor influencing filtration. Properties of the solid: particle shape, particle size, particle charge, density, particle size distribution, rigidity or compressibility of the solid under pressure, tendency of the particle to flocculate or adhere together. Properties of the liquid is the density, viscosity, corrosiveness. Properties of the solid in the slurry: rate of formation of the filter cake, especially in the early stage of filtration. Objectives are the whether the solids or the liquids or both are to be collected temperature of the suspension. So these factors are influencing the filtrations, the property of the solid and the property of liquid and property of the slurry and their objective and their temperatures. Next are the surface area of the filter medium. Rate of the filtration inversely proportional to the specific surface of the filter bed according to the Kozny-Kármán equation, directly proportional to the surface area of the filter medium. According to the Darcy equation, rate can be increased either using a large filter or connecting a number of small units in the parallel. The press work on the principle of connecting the unit in the parallel. So in today's class, I discuss about the following equation, Kozny-Kármán equation, and about the factor influencing the filtration, surface area of the filter medium. Thank you for watching.